Welcome to this project walkthrough on face emotion recognition using deep learning, Flask API, and a modern React-based web interface. In this video, you will learn how the system works end-to-end, what technologies power it, and how users interact with it through an elegant front end. Human emotions play a critical role in communication, but machines usually struggle to understand them. This project solves that problem by enabling computers to analyze facial expressions and classify them into emotions such as happy, sad, angry, neutral, fear, surprise, and disgust. Our system is built as a complete full-stack AI application, a convolutional neural network trained for facial emotion classification, a Flask backend API that handles pre-processing, prediction, and storage, a modern React plus Vite frontend for smooth user experience, and a SOAP-based database for storing prediction logs and user sessions. Together, these components form a scalable and production-ready AI solution. At the core of the project is a deep learning model trained on thousands of labeled facial images. The model learns facial landmarks, muscular patterns, eye and mouth geometry, micro-expressions. It processes 48 by 48 pixel grayscale face crops and outputs confidence scores for each emotion category. The backend is built using Flask. When a user uploads an image or captures a live webcam frame, the backend receives the image, pre-processes it using OpenCV, passes it through the trained CNN, returns the predicted emotion and confidence, stores the prediction in SOAP-base for analytics. The API provides routes for prediction, metrics, session tracking, and system statistics. The front end is designed with a clean, modern, gradient-based user interface. Users can upload an image, use the live camera, view real-time predictions, explore their prediction history, check system statistics like expression distribution, total predictions, and average confidence. Everything updates dynamically and feels smooth, thanks to React and Vite. This project also includes a real-time detection mode using OpenCV. The webcam identifies faces live, draws bounding boxes, and displays the predicted emotion instantly. This makes it ideal for real-time monitoring, UI feedback, or smart applications. This system can be used in many domains: healthcare for patient mood monitoring, education for student attention analysis, customer service to measure satisfaction, smart devices for personalized responses. Its lightweight architecture ensures it can be deployed on cloud or local environments. Thank you for watching this project overview. The face emotion recognition system demonstrates how AI, deep learning, and modern web technologies can work together to create intelligent, intuitive applications. If you'd like to upgrade or expand this project, such as adding multi-face detection, cloud hosting, or enhanced model accuracy, this architecture is already prepared for it.